If you're experiencing black screen issues while trying to watch Netflix on your iPhone, don't panic. To solve your black screen issues on your iPhone, please try the following steps. To solve your black screen issues, follow solution 1. First, close the Netflix app from your background and try to restart your iPhone. Solution 2. Offload the Netflix app. Go to the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on General. Tap on iPhone Storage. Scroll down to find Netflix app you want to offload. Tap on the app. Tap on Offload app. Confirm the action by tapping on Offload app again. Tap Reinstall app. Solution 3. Reset your network. Go to the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on General. Scroll down and tap on Reset. Tap on Reset Network Settings. Enter your device passcode if prompted. Tap on Reset Network Settings to confirm. Solution 4. Please try reinstalling the app on iPhone. You can uninstall and reinstall the Netflix app. After that, your problem will be solved. If none of these steps resolve the issue, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.